Welcome to Groovy English. I'm Kate. Today, we're going to practice a useful conversation that you might have when checking into a hotel. You'll learn how to confirm your reservation, ask about room preferences and amenities, and even arrange for an airport shuttle service. Let's get started.
Good evening. How may I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Jake.
Let me check our system. Yes, Jake. We have your reservation for a single room for 3 nights. May I please see your ID?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you prefer a room on a higher floor?
Yes, if possible. I'd like a quiet room away from the elevator.
I see we have a room available on the 10th floor that should be quieter. Does that work for you?
That sounds perfect. Also, could you tell me if breakfast is included with my stay?
Yes, a complimentary breakfast is included with your reservation. Would you like to arrange for our airport shuttle service?
Yes, please. I have an early flight on Friday and would appreciate a shuttle at 6:30 a.m.
Noted. Your room number is 1024. Here are your keys. If you need anything during your stay, just dial 0 from your room.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
You too, Jake. Enjoy your stay.
Key vocabulary and phrases. I have a reservation under the name Jake. Use this phrase to inform the receptionist that you've booked a room in advance. I prefer a room on a higher floor. This is a polite way to indicate a floor preference for your room. I'd like to have a quiet room away from the elevator. Use this phrase to express a specific room preference to ensure a peaceful stay. Is breakfast included with my stay? It's a way to ask whether the hotel offers complimentary breakfast as part of your reservation. Would you like to arrange for our airport shuttle service? The hotel would ask if the guest needs transportation to or from the airport. Can I get a late checkout? It's a way to ask to stay longer past the usual checkout time. Could you send someone to help with my luggage? You can say so to request porter service. What time is breakfast served? It's a way to check breakfast hours. Can I store my luggage here after checkout? You can ask the hotel this before leaving. There's a problem with the hot water. Can it be fixed? You can use these phrases to report maintenance issues in your room. Now you know how to handle a hotel check-in in English. From confirming your reservation to asking about room details and arranging an airport shuttle. Practice these phrases next time you're on the go. And let me know in the comments if you've ever used an airport shuttle service while traveling. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical English conversations on Groovy English. See you next time.